This elegant Northcrest floor plan will exceed your expectations from the moment you walk up. You'll notice the amount of detail in the stone and brick masonry, as well as the beautiful double-door entrance. Upon entering, you'll immediately notice the show-stopping center staircase complete with wrought iron spindles. Just past the magnificent staircase, you'll find a spacious living area complete with a large handcrafted stone fireplace. You'll also appreciate the hand-scraped hardwood floors and the soaring ceilings. Just off the living room, you'll find a kitchen to suit any occasion, complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, large chef's island, and custom cabinetry. You can also look forward to bright mornings in the breakfast nook with its large bay windows. For more formal occasions, the spacious dining room is the perfect setting for entertaining guests or family alike. Located on the ground floor, you'll enjoy the privacy of the large owner's suite. The master bath is the perfect retreat with its luxurious spa-quality features, including a deep jetted tub, a large separate shower, and dual vanities with granite countertops. As you make your way to the top of the staircase, you'll find a large game room as well as 3 additional bedrooms. There's also an optional media room that comes pre-wired for surround sound, ready to turn any night into movie night. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Northcrest floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.